This boy is 13 years old, okay? Guys, we have already finished plowing 1 acre in only 2 hours. And as you can see, the one who is plowing is a 13 years old boy. Yeah, man. So it's a good thing to have at home or at a small farm.